I'm probably going to ramble in this video a little bit. I'm super excited and this is totally unrehearsed. I had planned on doing a full video today of setting up Jazzy, getting him ready for 2024. But it's been raining most of the day, even sleeting, and it's freezing cold. So instead, we're going to do that tomorrow. Today, we're going to start Jazzy for the first time since Christmas. He's not happy about that. He's been in hibernation. We've kind of encouraged him to come out of hibernation. Today, we're going to force the issue. Let's do a real quick walk around, and you can see what we're working with. Tomorrow, we're going to completely uncover everything, unveil all of the equipment, hook up the 12 volt, get everything going. I may even wash the house and wash the driveway. We have a full week of washing next week, beginning Monday. And tomorrow, I have a huge announcement. In fact, I can't wait. I'm going to go ahead and tell you. The Fresh has hired his very first employee in 10 years, the first time. Not a Carlton, not some figment of my imagination, a real live actual person, living, breathing, walking, heartbeat, brain waves, all that good stuff. Let's get inside and we'll start Jazzy again for the first time since Christmas. I did put him on a battery charger last night. I'm hoping this works. Oh yeah! Woo! Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. That's stupid. You might notice I have a new microphone, new tripod and selfie stick, which makes it kind of weird. I'm liking this look and I'm thinking the videos this year are going to be absolutely off the hook. Totally top-notch professional. If you have not already liked and subscribed, be sure and do that. You and I'll get to spend lots of time together if you hit that bell tab, and I hope that you will. Let me remind you that myself and Jeremy Messer have started a podcast every Wednesday night here on this channel, his channel, and then on several Facebook pages. It's called WashTube University, and you don't want to miss it. We always interview someone or we have a subject that we discuss. And many of you have not only been watching faithfully, but you've been donating financially to the cause. And as promised, whenever you donate to my channel, Fresh Rinse Media, or to Jeremy's channel, Kentucky Wash Pros, then that money goes to buying new equipment and the things that we need to make our channels better. And of course, when we make our channels better, then we educate you further and it just benefits everyone all around. I did buy a new microphone, a new tripod, things of that nature, and it's super, super exciting. So this Wednesday, once again, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my channel and Jeremy's channel and a host of other Facebook pages as well. So don't forget, tomorrow, be sure to tune in. I'm going to make a full-fledged video, Lord willing, tomorrow of myself and my new employee. Lord willing, they'll be here and they're going to help me set everything up. We'll wash Jazzy, but we'll also, maybe we'll wash the driveway and wash the house. Who knows? We'll give it a good once over anyways. And then we might even go get our first batch of SH together. That's a huge announcement as well. I'll save all of that for later. All right, my name is Mike. I really appreciate you watching. They call me the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.